Join me for some cozy spring days. Cooking, cleaning, reading, tea, and fashion. Today on The Daily Connoisseur. Hi everyone, Jennifer here, and before we get into the homemaking content, because I have a nice homemaking video for you today for motivation, I wanted to talk through a little bit of the spring wardrobe because I want to bring you on this entire process. Okay, so there's a few purchases that I have made. I found this dress, I'm wearing it right now. It's by Treasure and Bond. I found it on Nordstrom and I thought, ooh, this ticks off a lot of boxes. It's really presentable, long, pretty, but comfortable and good for hot weather because of the short sleeves and the flowiness of it all. But I had originally ordered the green color because it's the same dress, it just comes in different patterns. And I ordered the green in the size small and then it arrived and it was way too big, just like really large on me. So I'm going to return this and I ordered the extra small in this print. And it's funny because with online shopping, okay, like if I was in Nordstrom and I was able to try everything on, you know, sometimes it's better to do things in person because I'm a bit torn. I love this color green. Funny, it's kind of like matching with the tulips here. I love this color green, but I feel like I wear this color so much. I love green, it's my favorite color. So I'm trying to branch out a little bit from that. And that's why I decided on this print instead. Plus this is gonna go with a lot of my extras that I have, like cardigans and things. So that's ultimately why I went with this, but it was a hard decision. But because this wasn't the right size, I took the opportunity to order the size down. So anyway, this is a neat little dress and it's very comfortable and just ticks all those boxes for me. So I'll leave them down below. Also, I ordered a dress. It hasn't arrived yet at the time that I'm filming this, but it's by Marine Layer, which is a new brand for me. And they sell them at Nordstrom too. So I ordered this dress that kind of looks like a circus tent. And I mean, I don't know what it is with me, but I love that circus aesthetic. And it reminds me a little bit of the Merci dress, but just with like the actual traditional circus tent print. So that's coming. I don't know if that's going to work out, but either way, I'll show you because I do like that process. And then my wonderful friend, Angeli from Rungalee, sent me this blouse in the Aspen. So this is a short sleeve blouse and I had the long sleeve Aspen for fall winter. I know that a lot of you love that blouse. I called it my Beauty and the Beast blouse because it reminded me of an enchanted fairy tale. This, oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? I love the stripe that goes down the middle of this blouse and like the high neckline. It's such a unique blouse. I love the architecture of it. And I just really like supporting these small business designers like Angeli because her clothes are incredible. She does these one-of-a-kind prints. You won't find them anywhere else. And the silk is so high quality. I've been wearing Rungalee for years, so that's going to be a new addition to the wardrobe as well. It's all coming together, and last night I journaled about it and I have at this time 10 core items. A lot of it has been refreshed because I'm boosting up my extras because I have so many special occasions coming up. And also I just felt like a revamp. I feel like I'm going through a renewal. Maybe it's because I was coming out of so much illness from, you know, last year. So I'm so excited. I do have a bunch of wardrobe videos coming up, so I hope that you will subscribe to those. Okay, those are my fashion updates. And before we get into some homemaking motivation, I wanted to share the Grüns with you who have kindly sponsored today's video. The Grüns are that wonderful multivitamin, greens, and probiotic all-in-one tasty gummy. If you love gummies like I do, you will love this way to take your vitamins. Grüns are a convenient, comprehensive formula packed into 8 gummies a day. It's not a multivitamin, a greens gummy, or a probiotic. It's all of those things and then some at a fraction of the price. And like I mentioned, the Grüns taste great. They have 20 plus vitamins and minerals and 60 plus whole food ingredients with no artificial covers or flavors, but they're still so tasty. They taste like a fruit snack. After 30 days of taking the Grüns, you can enjoy improved digestion, regular bowel movements, reduced cravings, and consistent energy levels. Grüns' blend of prebiotics, vitamins, minerals, and adaptogens support your cells, gut microbiome, immune system, and stress resilience. You can choose between the low sugar or the sugar-free option. They come in convenient portable packs that make it easy for you to stick to your habit of taking your multivitamin. So get up to 52% off by clicking my link down below, and thank you to Grüns for sponsoring. All right, now let's have some homemaking inspiration. I've been really loving stir fries lately, so I'm going to make a quick and easy stir fry from ingredients I picked up from Trader Joe's. I found this shaved beef steak, which is like a very thinly sliced carpaccio texture, and I saute that in some sesame oil and break it up a little bit with the knife, just being careful not to scratch the pot. Then I add some sesame dressing and marinade to the steak. Once the meat cooks for a few minutes, I add these stir-fry vegetables. It makes it so easy to cook when it's all compiled together like this. I top this with a little bit of soy sauce and sesame seeds, and this made a very tasty lunch. It's time for a spot of tea and reading. I'm going to enjoy a cup of ginger turmeric tea from Trader Joe's today. This one is good for digestion, I find. I'm in the middle of reading my dear friend Melissa Lester's beautiful book called Gracious Home: Cultivating a Spirit of Welcome. This is a gorgeous coffee table book with so much inspiration on making your home a welcome space for family and friends. It's full of beautiful pictures, quotes, I'm quoted in here too, by the way, and Melissa's musings on life at home. In the chapter called Dwelling with Bon Ami, she writes, "When home is a place of belonging that nurtures the spirits of all who inhabit this space, flinging wide the doors of that abode becomes a natural extension of its gracious purpose." I'm thrilled I get to meet Melissa in person and so many other amazing people from Victoria at the Gracious Living celebration in October in Charleston, South Carolina. I'll leave the details about the celebration down below. If you would like to come meet us, I would love to see you there. And finally, I wanted to talk to you about how we can glitch as homemakers. Just bear with me on this while I do a bit of homemaking back in the kitchen. I was watching a reel on Instagram about how we glitch as humans when we are overstimulated, and I instantly related to this. I can't find the reel anymore, but it showed someone dropping a kitchen cloth on the floor, bending over to pick it up, but each time she tried to pick it up, she didn't grab the cloth, and she kept trying. Have you ever experienced something like that? That actually happens to me a lot. It's like you expect something simple to happen, and then it just doesn't. The other day, I tried texting something. It was a simple word, but my phone would not pick it up, and I had to attempt to text the word about 7 times. It was something like bake, and it kept writing bike, even when I was pressing the A. Why am I telling you all of this? Because I find it interesting. As a homemaker, whether you work or not outside of the home, we can glitch. We can experience glitches. Sometimes the never-ending grind of cooking, cleaning, and chores gets to us. When that happens, make sure you pause and take a deep breath. Try to go outside or change your atmosphere in some way, and make sure you take breaks too. I hope you enjoyed today's video, everyone. Thank you to Grüns for sponsoring. Get up to 52% off by clicking my link below. Thank you for joining me today, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.